What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to swap Solana to USDT in Phantom Wallet. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you exactly do so? Well, first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the Phantom Wallet. And at the very top, you have a bunch of features or tools that we can access. We have receive, send, buy, and also swap. Now since we want to swap, let's go and click on swap. Now from here, we have two sections that we need to fill up. That is the you pay and you receive section. Now, since we want to swap Solana to USDT, the you pay section is going to be Solana, and you receive section is going to be USDT. So let's go and choose the appropriate one. Let's go and click on the first one here, and basically search for Solana. So let's go and click on it. Now, next is we want to go to the you receive section. Go ahead and click on it. Now, in here, the most important thing that you want to do is you want to determine your chain. So at the very top, you have the Solana chain, Ethereum chain, Base chain, and Polygon. But I'm assuming you want to use the Solana chain here. Let's go ahead and choose that, and we want to go ahead and search for USDT. Now, if you can't see it, go ahead and click on the search at the very top here to select USDT. But in this case, let's go ahead and just click on it. Now, by the way, if you want to transfer to a different chain, like if you want to use the Ethereum chain for USDT, the fees are going to be a lot bigger. So just take note of that. But yeah. So let's go to our Solana here. Let's go indicate how much we want to maybe send. So for example, I want to send like half of it. Like this is just an example. Maybe I want to send half of it. Now, as you can see, this is the value that we have right now. So in this case, review the price, the fees, price in fact, this is the page here, and the provider itself. So you can change the provider, but it will automatically choose that for you. But yeah, in this case, let's go ahead and click on the swap now at the very bottom of your screen. And it's going to start the swap process. I see it's going to say swapping sold to USDT. So this might take a while to complete, but once the process is complete, it's going to say swap. So what we need to do is we just need to go to our homepage here. And as you can see, our Solana is now reduced. As you can see, our USDT here now contains some value in here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.